Kimani Ichungwa.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Musalia Mudavadi in the...
As we proceed, you keep your eye on that clock. When it hits 0, our time will be up.
Thank you, Honorable.
10 minutes to 0, we will give the nominee an opportunity to make some closing remarks,
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Musalia, on your page 4 of the document that you submitted on self-declaration, you indicate on potential conflict of interest that you have none. And the question that follows after that is for you to explain how you would resolve any potential conflict of interest. And looking at your net worth and the schedule that you have submitted, I see you have interest in an aircraft, in exclusive air services. You have property on Riverside. I believe this is what you're getting rental income from, and other office space that you have also indicated through properties, offices owned by Triton Limited. Supposing the government of Kenya that if you are approved, you'll be serving under, list any of these properties, or one of the government institutions wanted to use this aircraft that you own, would that portend a potential conflict of interest, and how then would you deal with that?
Mr. Chairman, clearly there are procedures. Sorry, Mr. Chairman, clearly there are procedures that are in law that would make sure that there is a public disclosure or full disclosure under such circumstances if they did arise. But Mr. Speaker, I would also want to state that there are processes that would have to be followed legally, and I would not in any way interfere with such a process if it were to arise. Secondly, I would not use my position in public to try and interfere with that. I would really stick to the issues required in terms of integrity as required by law and the Constitution, so that any conflict that would arise would then not have to arise.
Honorable Wanda.